y'all, Kai here of WayUpGoodies, and Friday, right? Friday is Valentine's Day. Oh, it's so sweet. If you're in love, congratulations. If you're not in love, congratulations. Today we're gonna make some chocolate. Some chocolate and some chocolate covered strawberries. It's supposed to be a really quick video, and we just kind of gonna get into it. So I have these molds, and I want to show these first because they're so cute. Where do we got these from Dollar Tree. These are roses, and then these are some cute little hearts for $1. Okay, we have some strawberries here. It's winter, so they're not that sweet, but chocolate is going to fix that. And then this is, oh, show my little test one. That's my little test. It's so cute. Okay. And we have here some vanilla candy wafers, and we're gonna melt this down with some coconut oil. This is about 1 cup of wafers and like a little over a tablespoon of coconut oil. I'm trying to make these micro doodles. And then we have a 1/2 cup of chocolate chips, semi-sweet chocolate chips. We're gonna melt that down with some of our wax infused cannabutter. It's a little less than a tablespoon of cannabutter. Again, we're trying to microdose. We don't want to make them too strong, but if you want to make them strong for yourself, go on ahead. Then we have some food coloring here. As I would definitely recommend gel food coloring, one, if you can afford it, and if the store has it in stock, which our Walmart sucks, so they'll never have nothing in stock. Okay, and of course we have a pot of water here to get a little double boil going. Okay, you ready, baby? All right, I gotta ask, are you in love?
Oh, you asking me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, she's in love. Okay, I'm in love too. Ready? Let's do this. So we're gonna start with our vanilla wafers. So I'm gonna do my double boil this way, just because I already put it in the measuring cup. And I'm gonna get something to stir. Okay, stirring. Still stirring. Still melting. But you don't want to rush. Got to take your time. Okay. Melt it. Melt it. Now let's move that over. Alright. Now I'm just gonna separate them so that I can make them pretty colors. Okay. Let's add some color. Let's do, obviously. Oh. 2 drops. Stir, stir, stir. Oh, that's so romantic. Okay. I don't want to add a lot of food coloring because you know it get that terrible taste. So it's gonna be more pink than red. But with gel food coloring, you know, it would have probably been red. Well, we got some pink. I don't know. I want to do green. Let's do green. Yeah. I like. Uh-oh. Yeah. I just like green.
It's going to be a very light green.
Yeah. Okay. Add as much as you want. If you don't care about that food color and taste, go on ahead. Now, let's get these in some molds. Let's do some green hearts. rose. Oh, we sprayed these, if you can't tell. Obviously, just makes it easier to get these damn things out. Okay. We'll do some pink and then I'll fill the rest of them up. Okay, we've got all these in there in the molds. So now we're gonna put them in the freezer or the fridge, whatever, it don't really matter. But I'm gonna put mine in the freezer because I'm impatient. All right, so I almost forgot. You're supposed to do this fancy trick here to get all the air out. So our molds are in the freezer, you know, the harden. And now we're gonna melt down our chocolate and our butter. These are for chocolate covered strawberries. So yeah, we're gonna melt. You got a boo thing, and you want to surprise her, or give her some chocolate covered strawberries. Or if you just want to make them for yourself, that's okay too. All right, that looks good. All right, let's take that off. That smells so good. Okay, let's dip. How pretty. So if I had some more white vanilla wafers, which I do have, but I don't feel like melting any more down, then we could do a fancy little drizzle on it. Or if you have sprinkles or nuts, whatever. Fancy ass strawberries. Yeah. They make perfect gifts.
Which we know firsthand.
Yes. Oh yes, we made these before. And like last year. For a friend's housewarming. Yes. And they went over very well. Of course, he didn't share them with the guests. He hid them away until the guests left. But I don't blame them. They good.
That strawberry is ginormous.
Yes, it is. Now you don't even need to go to the grocery store and buy those expensive chocolate covered strawberries, y'all, because you can make them at home. Wax paper, and then spray it with a little non-stick spray, just for easy removal. So we're gonna put these in the fridge and let them harden. All right, and there you have it. Super easy. Infused chocolate hearts and roses for your lady or your man or whatever, or yourself.
Or your person.
Or your person, or your homies. Either way, everybody gonna be high and impressed. Okay? They're so cute. And that's about it. Wait, I do want to say, baby rushing me, I know, but I just have to say the same thing I say every year on Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is not just if you have a significant other, okay? It's just a day of love. So your children, your pets, your mama, your friends, anybody, it's just a day of love. So go and share some love, because the world sucks and it needs it, okay? And that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. All right, peace.